how to allow everyone watch your liked videos on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to TikTok, then open it. After this, when your TikTok is opening, you will just go down on your profile, open your profile, then go to this three line at the top of the screen. Click on it, then go to settings and privacy, and then go to privacy, go down to liked videos. Then now if it is like this only me, you will change it to everyone. So now everyone can watch your liked videos on TikTok. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. See you next video.